slips through the branches, painting gold upon my hands. I bow where the earth is cool, on this dew-washed morning land. No voice shakes the mountain, yet everything replies. Thank you for the breath that fills my chest, for silence thick with grace, for every leaf that trembles, knowing it's held in place. Thank you, not in lightning, but in this tender thread, the unseen hand that steadies me when all my words have fled. When night wrapped me tight like a cloak I couldn't shed, you stirred the air with fragrance and lifted up my head. Single bird called softly, and I knew I wasn't lost. Thank you for the breath that fills my chest, for silence thick with grace, for every leaf that trembles, knowing it's held in place. Thank you, not in distant skies, but here where I am known, the gentle pull that turns my heart to rest in you alone. Say chase signs in the desert, burning sand and sky. Now I hear you in the breeze, passing gently by. Thank you for the breath that fills my chest, for silence thick with grace, for every leaf that trembles, knowing it's held in place. Is it wonder? Is it mercy? This calm I can't outrun, the love that finds